Hi everyone, my name is David. Welcome to my course Web Application Penetration Testing Input Validation. I am a security instructor, researcher, and bug hunter. In this course, I will show you how to test for input validation in modern web applications. The majority of attacks on web applications are related to improper input validation, and that's the reason why this subject is interesting for penetration testers. First, you will learn about a cross-site scripting attack and AngularJS template injection. I will demonstrate how the attacker can steal a user's password as a result of a cross-site scripting attack. And I will present how the attacker can proceed from AngularJS template injection to cross-site scripting. Next, you will learn about an XML external entity attack and HTTP parameter pollution. I will demonstrate how the attacker can read the content of sensitive files from the web server as a result of an XML external entity attack. And I will present how the attacker can bypass authorization as a result of HTTP parameter pollution. And finally, you will learn about SQL injection and insecure direct object reference. I will demonstrate how the attacker can bypass password verification as a result of SQL injection. And I will present how the attacker can gain unauthorized access to the account of another user as a result of insecure direct object reference. By the end of the course, you will know how to test for input validation in modern web applications. And you will also know how to provide countermeasures for different types of attacks related to improper input validation. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn about testing for input validation with the Web Application Penetration Testing Input Validation course at Pluralsight.